Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching... Excellent! Whoa! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. That's the way! Just slice or tap it to open.